Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I have from Born Pretty. They sent me 3 of their colors from their new 90 magnetic gels. I'm going to swatch them onto black swatch sticks, see if I can get some of the effects that they show in the pictures. So they show in their picture the matte top coat effect, the glossy effect over the black base, which you normally use most over the black base, and the gem effect, which is like a supernova. I teased Guylene 325 about it. It looks, you know, like a round circle with a lot of colors, and then there's the black hole, magnetic black hole that has rings with a black in the center. So I'm going to try that today. If I'm successful at getting that black hole, I'll put on a nail, black nail, and try to do it on myself, because I know a few people have had problems with that. I imagine I'm going to have a ton of problems with that. So let's just see what these gels look like first off. This is the 90 4785-1. They did come sealed. I just had to put the number on here so I could remember it. Everyone was sealed on the inside as well. I had to take off the foil and let it sit for a couple of days. So let's just see if we could play with these magnets. Just had to make sure I had the magnets. Some of the effects that you could get with them. See, they show just under a black base, so that would be just applying it. And that would be your effect. And you could mat it out or have it play with the magnet like we're about to do. The magnets are currently opposite of each other. Yeah, they do slide out. These are strong magnets. So let's see if they attract to each other, whichever way that is, I can't remember now. So gotta hang on to them because they will come out of the thing. You go this way. Ooh, look at that. These are so strong. This way they attract. This way they attract. There's some way to repel them too. I don't know which way you're supposed to go with them. These two repel. I'm going to try the repelling way first. So repelling seems to be not my best move here. Let's try one of the other. These things are so strong, I'm telling you. Good old-fashioned tape. Let's try some tape. I'm scared to do it this way because the magnets will come out. So I'm going to hang on to them. Can't get the effect. Getting some pretty effects. Let's try the end of the magnets. They seem to be the strongest. Okay, we're getting somewhere. They're pulling out of the thing so strong. That's where the magnets want to grab each other. What it looks like when they want to grab each other. Wow, this is not easy when they're wanting to grab each other. You see them do this on channels that don't speak English. I need an English channel. Or you can play with the other end. Oops, I touched it. Touch it, you gotta rewipe. I really just like it this way. That's my favorite look. Let me see if one of the other colors maybe. I know this isn't the way to do a black hole. I've seen some channels where they don't talk, do it, and I just can't figure out which way of the magnets they're doing it. Either they just come on the screen go like this and like this, and it's done. And you don't know which way the magnets are facing, north, south. Every magnet has a north side, south side. Just they attract or they repel each other. The two are the opposite. Let's try where they attract this way. Didn't think of that. Let's reset this gel. Let's put a little bit more on. Reset this gel. Maybe I have to try one of the other colors. I'm not sure, but lordy, my magnets are strong. So this, they attract. Okay, this is the side that repels. I can't get them to touch, so let's try that. That didn't work too good. See, it doesn't, the traditional cat eye. It does that. Let me give this one a cure. Try another one of the colors out. That was color 1 we've been playing with. Let's just see what all these colors are. 2 and 3. Oh, look at that bronze. Ooh. Oh, this, I could see purple and blue in this. And it's going to be so hard to get a picture of. I just can't seem to take pictures of blue and purple very good. Oh my goodness. You know what? I didn't think. You're supposed to put a layer on, cure it, then put another layer on. Let me do that real quick. I totally forgot. Totally forgot. You're supposed to put a layer of the magnetic down first. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Maybe I'll swatch it over natural looking, you know, natural looking nail tips. That's what they call them. I'm thinking I might not have had enough color down. Get out number 1 again. This one's already, I sealed its fate in already. They also sent me their Born Pretty top coat. So this one's fate's already sealed. Give this a cure. Color number 2 again. Gel on the brush. Gel on the nail. You know what? I probably didn't even have enough gel for the magnetic particles to like adhere properly. You can see where I touched it. I've goofed it up royally. Maybe I didn't have it thick enough. I don't know. Let's see. Because your finger would be secure. Of course, your finger, you know, but you'll have to have someone else do the second magnet or find a way to prop it up. But can't even get it to work without. Okay, let's try. Move my pots out of my way. The attracting way. Let's try. Let's flip one of these around so I don't have them. Okay, the attracting way. Let's see if we could do it. Now you won't be able to turn your whole nail around. I don't know how people does it. There's some pretty shapes, but I can't get the black hole, or what I like to call the supernova. Let's try. Did I try the attraction? I can't remember if I tried attraction. See them come on these like 1-minute videos. They'll pop the nail. Someone will come on the screen, just do this next to it, and you think that, oh, it's gonna be so easy. It's so not easy. See it moving, just don't know what it's moving to. Let's see. Well, that's a horrible mess. I love the colors. It does have like all these amazing colors in there. It's purple and blue. Depending on which angle I'm looking at, what color it is. So we did attraction. Let's try repulsion. They repel each other. See if that'll make a black hole. Oh, I'm making a cat eye. Tell you, these are strong. Maybe try the ends of them. I've seen them do it the other way. Try the ends of the magnet. Anybody out there with a physics degree with magnets knows how to do this? I am like clueless. Sounds some cool effects there though. You've got to admit, some cool effects. No black hole. Oh, look at that though. It's so cool. So this is when they attract. Doing like a cross pattern in it. I like that. I'm gonna secure that one. That is so cool. This is the third one in the set. Let's try number 3. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's like copper, then it's pinks. Oh, I do love the colors. It's just I can't do the little trick. Take them out of their sticks. Let's see if I can just do it without the sticks. So this is the attracted part, and I can't even physically pull them apart. I have to slide them. That's how strong these are. Let's see. People just come on and go whoop, and it's done. And they're like, bam, that's how you do it. And we're like, it should be repulsion or attraction. I don't know. People just go on and go, zoop, zoop. This is the repulsion way. The magnets don't want to touch together. And most nail stands are magnetic or metal or plastic with metal, and so repulsion doesn't do it. Let me flip one of them over. Try it. They attract, and they attract really, really good. Both directions attract. So let's try it backwards. It's not as strong backwards. I guess I gotta do it forwards. Oh, gonna come out of here on me. People just, literally, they come on the screen, they go like this, they go like this, and it's like instantly black hole. And there's no way I can do a black hole like that. Oh, well, it's got some cool effect. Maybe I'm getting somewhere. I swear the ladies come on with, oops, don't touch it. Come on with two magnets. She's got a black nail. They come on, they go boop, and it's like done. Made a black line, does that count? My magnets just don't love me no more. no matter what angle you look at it, it changes colors. So it's really hard to see from the side. You're basically looking from the side when you're filming. Imagine trying to do this on your own nail. It just isn't going to happen without help. Repulsive. Now they're attracting. Put right in the center. Nope. Just not happening for me. Let's go playing with crisscrossies. They're pulling away from each other. That made a gorgeous, crazy looking thing. I'm gonna nuke that one because I like that one. So that was them reversed, where they're pushing away from each other. That's how I did that one. Okay, everyone, that was my go at trying the black hole and the gem effect with these 90 gel polishes from Born Pretty. The item numbers will be on the screen. Thank you, Born Pretty store, for sending these to me to play with. I gave it a good shot. I'm just not strong enough to hold the magnets. If anybody knows of a video out there that shows you which way to hold the magnets, I've seen some non-English ones and I have no idea what they're saying. I've watched Guylene give it a go. I can't figure out. You're supposed to repel them, attract them. Somebody let me know. All I see is I'm putting the magnets close. Bam, it's there. If you know how to do it, let me know. Send me a link down in the comments. I'd appreciate it. So would all the other nail YouTubers that are trying to do this. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching today. Watching me struggle and try this. Thank you so much. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.